Why do 70% of people struggle with financial planning? Let's change that today. As we approach 2025, financial planning is more important than ever. Imagine a future where you're in control, confident, and secure. Sounds great, right? First, set high-impact objectives. Empower your team, optimize operations, and strengthen your financial oversight. Review your savings and investments to align with long-term goals, and manage your debt effectively. Next, let's talk budgeting. Create a budget to track monthly spending and plan for large expenses. Adjust your savings and strategically use bonuses. And remember, tax season prep is crucial. Effective debt management is essential. Develop a repayment strategy, consolidate high-interest debts, and avoid new debt. Now, savings and investments. Maximize retirement contributions and build an emergency fund. Explore passive income opportunities and invest wisely. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage and keep your estate plan up to date. Finally, set smart financial goals and regularly seek professional advice. Stay informed and continuously improve your financial strategies. Take control of your finances and make 2025 your best financial year yet. Start today.